The New Zealand versus U.S. dollar is trading near the New York session lows and near the lows for the day. We're back into a swing area that I outlined late last week. I'll talk about that and more in this video, so let's get started. The swing area I speak of is right here between the 0.5723 level and the 0.5731 level. You can see that on the last Thursday, the price came up to that level a number of different times. On Friday, it came up to that level as well, and then moved above it on Friday, closing above the level. But in trading here today, the market moved back within that swing area and found support buyers here, and in the current hourly bar, we're back within this yellow area. By the way, this yellow area goes all the way back to this period right through here, where it was really developed, where the highs and lows were developed, forming this swing area. So it was a support here, it became resistance right here, and resistance again right through here. So now it's now support, and the price is down, testing the low of that swing area between 0.5723 and 0.5731. If the price were to break below that level, then we should see further deterioration in the price. It doesn't necessarily mean that the sellers are firmly in control. It says that they're in play because the price failed above this swing area and is now moving back below that swing area. Next targets on the downside would be the 61.8% retracement of the move down from the end of October high to the low price that we saw in November. That comes at 0.5714, and then we need to get below the 100-hour moving average of 0.5706. If we're able to get below both those levels, that would increase the bearish bias, give the buyers more control. If we do hold support here again, like we did earlier today, getting back above the high of this swing area, would open the door for further upside momentum. There's really not a lot, although you can go back and say like this high, this low, this high would become targets on the upside. Maybe this level as well, if it corresponds roughly with the high from today. But those would be the targets on further upside momentum on its way to the 5,800 or 0.5800 level. That's my technical look at New Zealand versus U.S. dollar. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.